Blueland reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to try some of their innovative and eco-friendly cleaning products. I said yes, even though I'm the world's worst cleaner. So if these work for me, they'll work for anybody. So let me do a little unboxing and show you what I got. Box number one. This has a storage container, and what goes in it are their dishwasher tablets. So these are eco-friendly, fragrance-free, dye-free dishwasher tablets. And let me just say, you don't need smelly dishes. There's nothing on the dishes that holds on to fragrance. And this is kind of a cool aesthetic. It would not be ugly sitting on a countertop. So these are the dishwasher tablets. Is another container designed to sit out on your counter, and it is a dish soap. So rather than being a liquid dish soap, it's a powder. It's a powdered dish soap, and you pour it into this container, and then when you want to wash dishes, you dispense it from this container either onto a sponge or onto a scrubby or into the sink, and it suds and you clean with it. So I am going to test this out. If it works, I think it's going to be awesome. Actually, it's not ugly, and kind of like the idea of you using powder. Let me show you package number two. This is called the Clean Essentials Kit. It's 4 of their best-selling items, and I know it looks like 4 empty bottles, but this is what's cool about it. So rather than use a liquid concentrate, I'm gonna try this one. These are actually little tablets. So this is the multi-surface cleaner, and you just add a tablet to each of these bottles and fill it up with water. So there's 4 of them. There's a multi-surface cleaner, there is a bathroom cleaner, there is a glass and mirror cleaner, and then there's a hand soap. Oh, this is nice. These are plastic. These are plastic, but the hand soap is glass, and this is nice and heavy and has like kind of a lovely feel to it. So all you do is put one of these tablets in here, add water, and it's foaming hand soap. I am going to test all of these products and show you how they work, and then I will report back.
Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.